Greetings and salutations. Welcome to Knife Chats with Tobias. Well, I was actually working on a couple other videos, but I got this package in today, and I've been waiting for this package for some time. Now, I don't normally do unboxings, but for this one, I want to do an unboxing because this is from Eric Hulford of Slick Slicers fame, and he sent me a package that I've been really excited to get. And so I thought I would just go ahead and open it right now. I know one item that's in here, and he said you don't know what else is in the package yet. So let's get started and get this open and find out just what it is. I'm excited simply for the item that I know is in the box. And so got my little desk knife out. I'm going to get some tape all over it. So much tape. The other side has addresses on it, so we don't want to show that side. There we go. Getting it open. Try not to show the other side. Okay. No batteries or anything, eh? Oops. I'm gonna have to edit that part out. Okay, when I went to open the box, other addresses showed up. Apparently the address was on the inside of the box and the outside of the box. So I'm gonna have to be careful here. And so that's why you're seeing the edits. I really have not seen what's in the box yet. And now I'm going to have to pause again and hide some addresses. Okay, well, first off, right off the top, I've got a sticker from Slick Slicers, which I did not have. So now I have his sticker, which features a nice pearl-handled Barlow on there. And so I've got that. That will go onto my sticker board. Rob Roy Whiskey Soap. Yep. Scottish soaps. Fine soaps from Scotland. Note of sweet vermouth and maraschino cherries. That's pretty cool, and it actually does smell good. Okay, and Falkneven knives. Quality knives. Is this? It doesn't look like knives. It actually looks like a deck of cards. I wonder. The knife is sharper than I am. It is a deck of cards. Now, for some people, that's not a big deal, but for me, it's a big deal. That is pretty cool. So I've got a set of cards. I collect decks of playing cards, so that's pretty cool. Ooh. Would-be knives since 1961. 2 of them here. What are these? Oh. Nope, you gotta cut it. Ooh. That's pretty cool. Not bad at all. I'm going to have a lot of stuff to review. We got that, and I'm wondering if they're both the same. You got the magnetic box, huh? I wonder where that came from, the idea of a magnetic box. Oh, different one. 2 different knives. nice too. Don't know a lot about Whitby. I'll have to find out. Ooh, that ratchets around a little bit. Yeah, there's a couple ratcheting motions there. It's a nice little, it's almost like a, the blade is very much like what you would find on a sod buster. It's kind of like a metal style of sod buster. Pretty cool. And look at how smooth that is. It drops in there. That is pretty cool. So, and then we got a package down here. That's kind of flat. Let's see what that is. I'm going to have a lot of stuff to talk about in the near future. Oh, some P51 style can openers, the larger can openers. I send everyone a P38 when I give stuff away, or most people end up getting a P38 from me. So I think that's why he sent me these. That's pretty cool. And something else is in here though too. All right, let's do it the old-fashioned way. Oh, okay, bottle opener. Broughton Brewery, Scottish Borders. Cool. Refreshingly authentic. And I know exactly where I can put that. I collect all sorts of barware, so this is a pretty cool thing. I've got quite a few cap lifters, so this is really cool for me. And then this was the big thing. This is what I was most excited about, so I have been very patiently going through everything else while I really just wanted to rip this open right away. And this is a Ski-N-Do. And you've already seen it on his channel with the wonderful stag handle, nicely pinned. He wasn't crazy about the leather sheath, but that's the kind of sheath you need to put it in your sock, so that's pretty cool. And there you have it. And I'll be doing a fuller review on this also in the near future, but this is just a quick unboxing, and I will be forever thankful for you for this, Eric. You do not know how much this means to me. I've been looking for a decent Ski-N-Do for quite some time, and as he says, mostly all you see these days is like tourist tat, or really things that are coming out of Pakistan or China. Even the ones that are made in Sheffield just don't compare to what you really want. It's like it's cool, but not really that cool. And well, there you have it. There's my my Ski-N-Do. Oh man, that is so cool. I can see it. You just slip it in your, it goes inside your hose or your sock underneath the garter that's holding it up, and there you have it. And it's yeah, it's just a simple knife, but it's like the symbol of Scotland as far as I'm concerned when it comes to a fixed blade knife, the Ski-N-Do. Yeah, I know there's the other ones, the larger Scottish dirk and the Bullock's dagger and things like that, but the Ski-N-Do, to me, it just screams Scotland as much as the Claymore does. But oh man, look at that! Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. I'm telling you, right now the camera is not doing it justice. I need to get better lighting on this and show it a little bit more. But yeah, the Ski-N-Do, and I'll be doing a video on this in the very near future. But wow, to have it in hand is just amazing. really, I probably don't sound nearly as excited as I am. Hopefully no one can read all that stuff. If not, I just screwed everything up, or I'll blot it out somehow. But anyway, there you have it. And like I've said many a times, Eric, there is no way I can actually repay you for this. This is just terrific. This is fabulous. This will be like one of the centerpieces of my knife collection. This is one that's not going anywhere anytime. Not one of those things anytime soon. This is just amazing. Truly amazing. Any case, I will let you go right now, and more about this knife and all the other amazing things that came in the box later on today. Ooh, more than one. I got 2 stickers. One for the collection of stickers and one for the board. That's even better. But, wow. There you have it. The Ski-N-Do. Wow. Let me take just a second to thank you once again for dropping by and spending a few minutes here at Knife Chats with Tobias. I really do appreciate it, and I do appreciate any comments that you leave. So please remember to give me that thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you'll know when the next episode is up and running. Thanks again for dropping by. Really do appreciate your time here.